Kita na po.
Yes, kita na, kita na.
So, good morning everyone. I'm Jana Rose de Uraag at Electrical PE. So, my topic is overcoming barriers to good listening. So, how will you overcome barriers to good listening? First, adapt to the speaker's delivery. To be good listener, you have to focus on a speaker's message. So, all you need is to give your attention to the speaker's message, not on the style of the delivery, nor on his or her appearance. Instead of criticizing an unpolished speaker, sympathetic and try harder to concentrate on the message. So, a good listener focuses on the message, not on the messenger. Next, avoid the conclusion. Give the speaker time to develop and support his or her main point before you agree or think that the message has any value. So, before you react on the speaker's message, you must listen first and understand his or her point so that you will give a good response to avoid confusion. Next, keep your focus. One way to stay focused is to determine what your listening purpose is. So, this can help you develop an appropriate listening strategy. If you listen for pleasure, you need to take down notes. But when you listen critically, you need to know what the facts and how they relate to the speaker's arguments and conclusions. Next, avoid overreacting to a message. Words that connote negative opinions about people, ethnic origin, nationality, religious views, and about their past can trigger strong emotion. So, using negative language about someone's ethnicity, nationality, religious past can evoke strong emotions. It advises against being swayed by emotion, as heightened emotion may hinder your ability to understand and comprehend what others are saying. And summarize mentally what the speaker said. Another powerful listening strategy is summarizing mentally every few minutes what the speaker has. So it suggests that our ears process words faster than speakers can deliver them, leading to potential mental drain. By summarizing the speaker's every few minutes, you engage your mind actively, staying alert and better, following the flow of ideas. This mental activity capitalizes on your faster thinking speed compared to the speaker's delivery pace. Next, listen with your eyes and ears. Listen as well as your ears. So, despite the caution against being overly distracted by speaker's appearance, acknowledging their body language and emotions can enhance understanding. A good view of a speaker may boost attention and comprehension, recognizing that visual elements can contribute to a more holistic understanding of the message. So, notes. And that's all. Thank you.
Kuya, ang bill daw niya ano?